Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. The problem is that when you go to Safari and try to search for something or open a new tab, it doesn't work properly. Or maybe when you try using Google Chrome, it's also not working in your case. So how can you fix that? Simply follow all the steps I'm going to show in this video to resolve your issue. First, go to the settings on your iPhone and make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also, ensure that your VPN is disconnected during the process. If your VPN is turned on, just disconnect it. After that, go to the General section. Open Software Update, and make sure your iPhone or iPad is updated to the latest iOS version. Many users face this problem because they haven't updated their devices, and Safari requires the latest update to function properly. That's why it doesn't work on some iPhones. Once you've updated your device, scroll down and find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset and select Reset Network Settings. After completing all these steps, make sure to check the settings again before using Safari. Once everything is properly set, you won't face any more crashing or loading issues on your iPhone or iPad. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content.